Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use text XML in Alight Motion. First, understand that XML files contain pre-designed text animations. These files allow you to apply sophisticated effects without manually keyframing every detail. This saves significant time and effort, letting you focus on creative storytelling. We will cover finding, importing, and applying these powerful presets to enhance your projects. Before importing, you need to prepare your XML file. Many creators share these files online, so find one that suits your project's aesthetic. Always check for compatibility to avoid issues during import. Once downloaded, place the file in a clear, organized folder on your device. This makes it simple to locate when you are ready to bring it into Alight Motion. Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. Quick recommendation: just like your animations need to be top-notch, your feet deserve the best. Go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these incredible socks and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's get that XML into Alight Motion. Open your project and navigate to the Import option. Select the XML file you saved earlier. Once imported, you will see the new effect available. Simply select your text layer, then apply the imported XML preset. This instantly transforms your text with the custom animation, ready for further adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.